Hi, Bryn here. Now, is your dishwasher getting a bit greasy? Well, everyday use can cause the grease and fat from your food to build up in your machine. So here's what you can do about it. So this is WPRO Limescale and Grease remover for washing machines and dishwashers. Now, while washing machines have to combat the effects of limescale regularly, dishwashers don't typically have the same problem. If you regularly fill your water softener with dishwasher salt, and you should be, you can watch my dishwasher salt video here, then that soft water should be saving your dishwasher from limescale problems. But you can use this as a degreaser, and it works brilliantly. All you need to do is a service wash. Empty the WPRO Limescale and Grease remover into the machine, straight into the dispenser drawer. Now, with the machine empty, set it to a service wash. If your machine doesn't have a service wash, like this one here, you need to set it to its highest temperature program. In the case of this machine, that's program number 2, and then leave it to do its thing. There we go, looking great. Now, you want to aim to do a service wash with a degreaser like the WPRO about once every month. You can also keep the grease in check by using a professional grade dishwasher tablet like these WPRO tablets. Now, they contain an active ingredient that combats the grease every time you put on a wash, meaning less service washes in the long run. To order any WPRO Limescale remover or tablets, visit indesitservice.co.uk.